If you searched how to buy shares of Canoo Inc., this quick guide will show the steps using eToro as an example. Canoo Inc. is an electric vehicle company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GOEVQ, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker GOEVQ to find Canoo Inc. Make sure to select the listing that shows NASDAQ to confirm it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ market, and GOEVQ ticker before you proceed to buy. Click Invest. Choose the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next open price. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the transaction. Once the trade is placed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.